Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Ben. You're there with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
Well, hey, Picknickers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that